Hi, this is Paul again. I've got another video to show you, and I'm calling this the Octahedral 3D Fibonacci System Part 2. In my last video, Part 1, I showed how the octahedrons could be scaled down golden ratio, and I showed Fibonacci rings of 34, 21 going all the way down to 3 in a Fibonacci sequence. Now what I show in front is the front view, but actually it's 3-dimension. So what I'm going to do now is show you some animations of rotating this stuff in 3-dimension, so then you can see how it's concentric from one center point. Okay, we'll start with the size 34 octahedron. Now you can see as this thing is rotating around that the three rings are in a spherical formation. Now when we go down now, each step is exactly phi ratio between each step of rings. Now the beauty of this arrangement is that when you make an octahedron and then you make an array of balls around that octahedron to suit the number of balls and the diameter, everything is all set. So when you make a copy of the octahedron and reduce it down by phi, and then you make an array of the same size ball, the balls are the exact number as I show on this illustration. Okay, now we're getting to the end of this sequence. We're down to the red. Now I think the octahedron is all set for this system because we got squares and we got triangles in the octahedron. So that gives us a threefold and a fourfold system. And basically the fourfold seems to be the most important for this arrangement. But I think a little bit of research will probably show that threefold is going to give us some amazing stuff also. Anyways, I think I'm going to call it a day on this part 2 because I've got a lot of stuff to work on. So this is Paul saying thank you very much for the people that think order is a lot better than chaos.